A desk lamp pulls a current of 2 amps. What is the charge used in 30 seconds? Report your answer in coulombs. Okay, so let's write what we have. First of all, we have current, and it's 2.0 amps or amperes, and then we're looking at a time of 30 seconds. Now, in order to solve for the charge in coulombs, well, it's quite simple. We're just going to set it equal to the actual current. The current in amperes or amps, amperes, and we're going to multiply it against the time that the current was flowing through, time in seconds. That's all we have to do here, okay? So let's go ahead and plug everything in. We have 2.